Hi, my name is Roderick and welcome to this channel, Seek Right Tech Reviews. The Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G phone is the latest foldable in the flip phone style like phones of old and the counterpart to the Galaxy's Z Fold 3. Yet highly revolutionized with today's industry standard tech, and yes, the foldable flip part of the phone is just another aspect of the phone and not the starring attraction. In this video, I will examine, explore, and review the Z Flip 3 5G's features, camera, security package, components, connectivity, list of pros and cons, and I will render my overall rating and review. Let's get started. The dimensions of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G are, when folded, it is 2.84 inches high by 3.40 inches wide by 0.63 inches thick. When unfolded or at full length, it is 6.54 inches high by 2.87 inches wide by 0.27 inches thick and weighs 6.46 ounces. The Z Flip 3 is made of a sturdy aluminum frame with a glassic front and a Gorilla Glass Victus back. With an IPX rating of 8, the Z Flip 3 5G is water resistant up to 5 feet for 30 minutes. It is not dust proof. The Z Flip 3 5G comes in these colors: Phantom Black, Green, Cream, Lavender, Gray, White, and Pink. The last three colors, Gray, White, and Pink, are only available through the Samsung website. When folded or closed, the front cover display is 1.9 inches. It's a 260 by 512 pixel resolution AMOLED display. The screen is Gorilla Glass Victus, offering you a sturdy protection to this display. In this mode, you are offered 6 default widgets by Samsung to customize your cover screen. They are calendar, battery life, music, notification, timer, and weather. And you can also customize and change certain animations like the color schemes, backgrounds, clock styles, just to name a few. Samsung's Bixby Assistant is available in this mode to give you your notifications. When the Z Flip 3 5G is in the flex mode, the phone is in an L-shaped position and can sit or rest in this position on its own. The flex mode offers you some hands-free ease of use for certain apps like hands-free dual calls, hands-free conference calls. You can watch a video on YouTube or a movie on Netflix. When unfolded or opened, the screen size is 6.7 inches, the same screen size as the Galaxy S21 phone model. A full high-definition dynamic AMOLED 2X display, 2656 by 1080 pixel resolution with 1200 nits of color brightness, a 22 by 9 aspect ratio, 425 ppi, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. While in full screen mode, you will be able to function with the Z Flip 3 5G like any other phone you've used in the past. The screen has a harder cover glass screen protector, still has the notch cut out at the top where the selfie camera keyhole punch is located. One cool feature is the multi-window feature. The multi-window feature allows you to use 2 apps at the same time in the split screen view, and you can also run multiple apps at the same time in the pop-up view. The main camera, the rear camera, is a dual lens comprised this way. The first camera lens is a 12 megapixel f/1.8 focal length aperture with 1.024 inches wide lens with a dual pixel PDAF phase detection autofocus and OIS optimized image stabilization. The second lens is a 12 megapixel f/2.2 focal length aperture with a 123 degree ultra wide lens. The main camera has LED flash, HDR, high dynamic range, which simply means the range of light and dark tones is in your photo, and panoramic modes. The video recording breaks down this way: 4K at 30 and 60 frames per second, 1080p at 60 and 240 frames per second, 720p at 960 frames per second with HDR10+. The Selfie keyhole punch camera is a 10 megapixel f/2.4 focal length aperture with a 1.0-inch wide lens and high dynamic range. Video recording with the front selfie camera is 4K at 30 frames per second. Now, when the Z Flip 3 is closed or folded, you can still take pictures and video record. Utilizing the main cameras and the primary viewfinder, you can take pictures or use the video record feature. You can change lens by simply swiping up or down, and you can change from photo to video mode by swiping left to right. Snapping your selfie pictures is simple. From the cover screen, just hit the volume button on the side to trigger the shutter. Note: any selfie pictures taken using the cover screen viewfinder are a 1:1 aspect ratio in size and are unchangeable when you open the phone to full-length size. The battery is a LiPo 3300 mAh non-removable battery. The battery life is said to be about 6 hours at best. This is kind of abysmal. Not what we hope for in a phone with this level of tech innovation. Furthermore, the 15-watt recharging adapter is sold separately. It is fast wireless charging capable with a 10-watt, not very fast, is it, battery plate, also sold separately. The security package of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G breaks down this way. 1. A fingerprint sensor on the lock-unlock key on the right side of the phone for controlled security access. 2. A smart lock-unlock feature can be set up through settings. It allows the phone to unlock itself and remain so when it detects it is in a trusted locations or around other familiar devices. 3. Screen lock methods include facial recognition, pattern, PIN, or password features are available in the biometrics and security section in the settings. 4. Samsung Knox. This is a data protection security measure built into the hardware and software of the phone to ensure the privacy of your data and details of all your key information. The components for the Z Flip 3 5G are: 1. The operating system is Android 11. 2. The system chip is a Qualcomm Snapdragon SM8550 888 5G FNM. 3. The CPU is an octa-core 2840 MHz Cairo 680 64-bit FNM. 4. The GPU is the Adreno 660. 5. The RAM is 8 GB of LP DDR5 RAM. 6. The internal storage, you have the choice options of either 128 GB or 256 GB at the time of purchase. 7. The audio sound is 2 aptX high-definition stereo speakers. 8. There is no micro SD card slot in this phone. 9. There is no 3.5mm headphone jack for this phone. Now I see two options. 1. Utilizing Bluetooth earbuds or headset. Or 2, you can purchase a USB Type-C cord with the 3.5mm female end, both of which are sold separately. 10, there's no radio in this phone. And 11, this phone is not compatible with an S Pen. The connectivity is as follows. 1. Wi-Fi 6 802.11a/b/g/n/ac/6 Wi-Fi Direct and Hotspot. 2. Bluetooth is 5.1. 3. 1 USB 3.1 Type-C reversible slot for charging and OTG on the go. And 4. NFC capable. The pros. 1. The revolutionary intended design of this phone, its operation and functionality is achieved. Samsung has taken a full-length phone and folded it in half. 2. The outside cover screen of the Z Flip 3 5G is 4 times larger than its predecessor model, the Flip Z phone. 3. The availability of multi-screens and pop-up screen capability offers innovative technology that fosters a high level of productivity at your fingertips. 4. The plethora of apps and programs offered by Samsung and Google via Android 11 is excellent. 5. Very good camera specs for both the main and selfie cameras, as well as versatility in the design operation of their use. And 6. A comprehensive security package and industry standard components and connectivity is excellent. The cons. 1. The highest glaring knock is the battery situation for this phone. A 3300 mAh battery, non-removable, and at best, 6 hours of battery life. This is absurdly abysmal. The battery should have been at least a 4000 mAh battery. No battery adapter included with the phone, but must be purchased separately. This is just wrong. 2. No micro SD card slot for expansion, and no 3.5mm headphone jack port or a USB Type-C cable, USB to 3.5mm female end cable included with the phone. 3. No approximate mention of available user memory indicated either at the Samsung website nor the phone's PDF user manual that is downloadable. Unacceptable, especially when asking for just slightly under $1,000 for this phone as a minimum. I give the Samsung Z Flip 3 5G an overall rating of B for these reasons. 1. This is a new innovative design for what is known as a foldable phone in the form factor category. Samsung has taken a full-length 6.7-inch phone and folded it in half to fit inside your pocket, purse, or clutch bag, yet did not make the folding part the star attraction. Awesome job. I like it. 2. Samsung, for the most part, has built a viably solid phone with current industry standard components and connectivity, innovative operation and functionality that surely will rival alongside of Microsoft's Dual, which is a foldable phone, and Google's Pixel 6, soon to be released in October of this year. 3. Here's why I knocked it down in my rating from an A to a B. The battery is below standard. For a phone with this type of technological advancement, functionality, and innovation, and you give me a weak 3300 mAh battery, non-removable, and with at best 6 hours of battery life continuous usage, this is terrible. If you were aiming to come at the Surface Dual in a form factor head-to-head war on foldables, this is the one that you should pull out all of the stops. In my opinion, this is the foldable that could have easily rivaled Microsoft Surface Dual hands down. 4. And final point, Samsung. Please allow me to share this quote with you from Cy Sims, CEO of the Sims Corporation. His product is men's fashions, suits, blazers, shirts, slacks, accessories. And this is his slogan: an educated consumer is our best customer. As you move forward with the Z Flip phone line in the future, since this is the first generation of this phone and a relatively decent job with respect to that, please keep this in mind. Don't skip on the technology to hope to achieve a more attractive selling price that'll appeal to the masses, yet price gouge them on the back end with items that should be included with your product at the time of purchase in the first place. Offer them excellence in customer service first. Then you'll see profit margins successfully coming back to you. If you found this video helpful, informative, and it provided you with effective, useful content, please click that like button. Click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell and join the SRT family. I post new videos on Saturdays. If you want to see more videos like this one, leave me a comment below. Leave me a comment and share your thoughts about this video. Check out the links below in the description box. Watch this video next and check out this playlist. Until next time, I'm Roderick, your host and narrator, and this is Seek Right Tech Reviews.